So since the last I filmed and posted on my channel, a lot has changed in the interface of TryHackMe and also in the addition of new material. Also, there is a new certification that TryHackMe offers. Is the one for a penetration tester. Actually, where is it? In the learn section, get certified. Actually, we have a drop down now. A PT1, this one, junior pen tester certificate, security analyst level 1 was the first one. Okay, now, what should we do? We have a learning roadmap. Pre-security is done. On our channel, cybersecurity 101, 36% is complete. What is completed here, you can watch on my channel. Even though now we can see a lot has changed, but the materials are pretty much the same. I will say resume training, and let me see, we have search skills in start your cyber security journey. Let me see where we'll land. Actually there in search skills. Learn to efficiently search the internet and use specialized search engines and technical docs. Alright, so Google basically Google dorks. Google hacking, also named Google dorking, is a hacker technique that uses Google search and other Google applications to find security holes in the configuration and computer code that websites are using. So just simply is just searching for vulnerabilities using the Google search engine and the built-in special searches. Task 1, Introduction. A quick Google search for Learn Cybersecurity returned around 600 million hits, while a search for Learn Hacking returned more than double that number. The number might have grown even further when you go through this room. We are surrounded by information. Do you prefer to surrender in the face of information overload and accept the first few results you get? Or do you like to acquire the necessary search skill to find and access what you're looking for? This room aims to help you with the latter. Learning objectives. The goal of this room is to teach how to evaluate information sources, use search engine efficiently, explore specialized search engines, read technical documentation, make use of social media, check new outlets. Answer the questions below. Check how many results you get when searching for learn hacking. At the time of writing, we got 1.5 billion results when searching on Google. Do we have a time? I think, yes, down over here, 260 days ago. We got an even lower number than this, 1.5 billion. We have 1 billion and 40 million. All right. Can you imagine searching 1 billion 40 million results in less than a second? Almost half of a second. I mean, of course, everything is cached on the servers, but god damn. Right, so these are the results that we can see now. If we go for advanced search, well, this is basically some Google dorking.